Hi, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi, and this is Skilled Prime User, a unique course designed to train you on the use of Tally Prime. In the last video lesson, we learned how to create masters in Tally Prime, namely ledgers, units, and stock items. In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to alter these masters, that is to make corrections or changes in these masters. We will also learn how to delete these masters. While creating the company, we made an error when entering the email address. To correct this, we will explore how to modify the details of the created company in Tally Prime. When we discussed the gateway of Tally, we talked about the chart of accounts. Now, we will select the chart of accounts and then select ledgers. We can now view all the pre-created groups in Tally Prime. Here, we can also see the ledgers we have created. Here are the two ledgers which we created under indirect expenses. The first one was electricity expenses and the second one was catering services. We intentionally had spelled this wrong. We will now correct it. To do so, we will go back to Gateway of Tally and select Alter. In Alter, we will select the ledger. List of all ledgers will appear. Now here we'll type K. The ledger will get selected. We will now press Enter. We are now in the ledger alteration form. Here we will type the correct spelling. All the other fields entered are correct, so we will keep on pressing Enter and accept the form. While creating the ledger for electricity expenses, we intentionally assigned it to the wrong group. Now, we will correct it. We will press Enter to select the ledger. We had grouped this ledger under indirect income. We will now correct it, and for that we will select the group indirect expenses. Since all the other remaining fields are correct, we can keep on pressing Enter to accept the form. Since all the fields are correct, we can directly accept this form by using the shortcut key Ctrl+A. We can say that Ctrl+A is used to accept all. This shortcut key works in every form of Tally, whether it is a creation form or an alteration form. So before pressing this key combination, we must make sure that no other fields are to be entered or altered in the form. We'll now press Ctrl+A to accept the changes. We will now come back to Gateway of Tally and select the option Chart of Accounts. We will then select Ledger. We will now scroll down to select our customer's ledger, that is Yadav Sweets. We will press Enter to select it. Now here on the left top, we can see the name of the form, that is Ledger Alteration Secondary. If you compare this with the Ledger Alteration form, we navigated from Alter and then Ledger. Note that the title was Ledger Alteration. Other than that, there is no other difference in these two forms. We have selected this ledger so that we can enter the address of our customer. So, we will type the address. Now we will accept this form to make the changes. We also made an error in spelling our customer's name incorrectly. So we will now select Bhalu Milk Mart to correct it. Here we'll press Enter. We will now press the Insert key or the keyboard and type Lalu. And we will delete the word Bhalu. All the other fields are correct, so we will accept the form by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+A. This way we can alter the ledgers from Chart of Accounts. Similarly, we can alter the units or stock items. We can select the name of the stock item we wish to alter, make the necessary changes, and accept the form. But now if we decide not to make any changes to this form, we will press the Escape key. The moment we press the Escape key, we get a prompt quit, yes or no. We can either press Escape or we can press Enter to cancel the changes and come out of the form. We will press Enter to select the stock item once again. To exit the form, instead of pressing Escape twice, we will use the key combination Ctrl+Q. This shortcut will not only cancel all changes made to the form, but also directly quit from it. Now, we will learn how to delete a master. If you notice, the Masters heading in the Gateway of Tally, it does not have a Delete option. So, in order to delete a master, we will have to use the Alter menu. Now in the list of masters, we will select Ledger. We can select the ledger we wish to delete, say for example Dena Bank. Now you may notice that there is a bottom button bar in the alteration form. On this button is the delete button. The shortcut key for the same is Alt plus D. We can click the delete button or press a combination key. We will press the combination keys Alt plus Delete. We will now be prompted with a yes or no. We will click on yes or type Y or press enter to delete. But if we do not want to delete, we can click on no, or we can type N or press the escape key. It is important to know that the delete button in the form will be deactivated and the combination key Alt plus D will not work if there are transactions associated with this ledger. In such a case, to delete the ledger, we will first have to delete all the transactions associated with it. We do not want to delete this ledger, so we will press the escape key once. Similarly, just like ledgers, we can also delete units. From the list, we will select units, then choose the unit we wish to delete and press the key combination Alt plus D. However, like ledgers, units cannot be deleted if they are associated with a stock item. First, we need to delete all transactions associated with the stock item. Then, we must delete all stock items linked to the unit. Only after that can the unit be deleted. We do not want to delete the unit, we will press the escape key. We will keep on pressing escape to go back to our list of masters. We can select the stock item option to delete stock items. We can then select the stock item we wish to delete and press the Alt plus D key combination to delete the stock item. As explained earlier, the stock item can be deleted only if it is not associated with a transaction. We do not want to delete, so we will press N on the keyboard. We will now come back to Gateway of Tally. So far, we have learned how to alter and delete ledgers, units, and stock items in Tally Prime. But now if we wish to alter the information we provided while creating this company, like changing the address, the phone number, etc. In our case, the email address. To do so, we will have to select the company menu from the top menu bar. We will now select the Alter option. On selecting this option, we will get the company alteration form. Now here, we can make the necessary changes. We will now correct the email address. Instead of typing Gokul, we typed Gokul. We will now correct it and press enter. We will keep all other details and accept the form. Like masters, we can also delete the company. To do so, we will again click on company and select the alter option. Now in the company alteration form, we will press the key combination Alt plus D. You may see that the delete button has not been given in the bottom button bar. Still the key combination will work. We will now press Alt plus D and then Y to delete. We will again be prompted with an additional warning for safety. Are you sure? Yes or no? If we select yes, then the company with all the transactions will get deleted. We do not want to delete the company. So, we will click on no and then come back to Gateway of Tally. That's all for this lesson. In the next video lesson, we will discuss how to enter vouchers in Tally Prime. We will explore various voucher types. Additionally, we will learn different methods of entering voucher using the Change Mode button. See you all in the next video lesson. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
To view the next video lesson, you will have to scan the QR code given on page number 16. Thank you.